Let's start question number second of exercise 5.4. Question is solve and check your answers. A part is 5050 divided by 10. Here we have to divide 5050 by 10. That means our divisor is 10 and dividend is 5050. Now see, we cannot divide 5 by 10, so we will write 0 at the quotient and combine 5 thousands and 0 hundreds. Okay, so we will divide 50 by 10. Is 50 comes at the table of 10? Yes, 10 fives are 50. Now subtract it, 0, 0. Bring this 5 down. Is 5 comes at the table of 10? No, we cannot divide 5 by 10, so we will write 0 at quotient and bring this 0 down. Okay, now 10 fives are 50. Fine, now subtract it, we will get 0. So our quotient is 505 and remainder is 0. Fine, now we have to verify also. How we verify? See, what we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient, divisor multiply by quotient and add the remainder to it. Okay, divisor multiply by quotient and add the remainder to it. What is our divisor? Divisor is 10, quotient is 505 and add remainder to it, remainder is 0. So when we multiply 505 by 10, what we will get? We will get 5050 and add 0 to it, and after adding 0 we will get 5050, and that is equal to our dividend. Okay, this is equal to our dividend. You can check that dividend is also 5050, and after verification, after multiplying divisor by quotient and adding remainder to it, what we get? We get 5050. That means our division is totally correct. So this way we verify the sum. Okay, what we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and add remainder to it. Fine. B part is 2744 divided by 23. That means our divisor is 23 and our dividend is 2744. See, we cannot divide 2 by 23, so we will write 0 at the quotient and combine 2 thousands and 700s. Okay, now we will divide 27 by 23. Is 27 comes at the table of 23? No. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 27 and comes at the table of 23, and that is 23 itself. Okay, 23 ones are 23. Now subtract it, 7 minus 3 is 4 and bring this 4 down. Is 44 comes at the table of 23? No, 44 doesn't come at the table of 23. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 44 and comes at the table of 23. And that is again 23 itself, because 23 twos are 46. That will be greater than 44. So we will take 23 ones are 23. Now subtract it. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. And bring this 4 down. Okay. Is 214 comes at the table of 23? No, 214 doesn't come at the table of 23, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 214 and comes at the table of 23. And you can see that 23 nines are 9 threes are 27, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So this will come. Okay, so 23 nines are 207. Now subtract it. 14 minus 7 is 7, 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 119 and remainder is 7. Okay, quotient is 119 and remainder is 7, and we have to verify also whether our division is correct or not. So what we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and add the remainder to it. इसमें हम क्या ऐड कर देते हैं? रिमाइंडर को ऐड कर देते हैं. What is our divisor? Divisor is 23, quotient is 119 and remainder is 7. Now we will multiply 119 by 23. I am multiplying here. See, 119 multiply by 23. 3 nines are 27. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. 3 ones are 3. 2 nines are 18. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 ones are 2, 7, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2. Okay, so it will be 2737 plus 7. Add 7 to it, and after adding what we will get? 7 plus 7 is 14, 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 and 2. This is equal to our dividend. You can check that our dividend is also 2744. So this is equal to our dividend. Fine. This is B part of question number 2. Now let's start C part. C part is 3525 divided by 25. Our dividend is 3525 and divisor is 25. We have to divide 3525 by 25. See, we cannot divide 3 by 25, so we will write 0 at the quotient, and now we will combine 3000s and 500s. Okay, so we will divide 35 by 25. Is 35 comes at the table of 25? No, 35 doesn't come at the table of 25, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 35 and comes at the table of 25, and that is 25 itself. 25 ones are 25. Now subtract it. 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and bring this 2 down. Is 102 comes at the table of 25? No, 102 doesn't come at the table of 25, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 102 and comes at the table of 25, and that is 25 fours are 100. Okay, now subtract it. 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and bring this 5 down. Fine. Now 25 ones are 25. So our quotient is 141 and remainder is 0. And we have to verify also. And how we verify? We multiply the divisor by the quotient and add the remainder to it. Okay, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and add remainder to it. What is our divisor? Our divisor is 25, quotient is 141 and remainder is 0. Now multiply 141 by 25. Here this is a rough work. Okay, this you have to do in your rough work. 141 multiply by 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, so 5, 2, 7 plus 8 is 15 and 3. Fine, so this will be 3525 plus 0, which will be 3525, which is equal to our dividend. Okay, that means our division is totally correct, because after solving what we get 3525, which is our dividend. Fine, so this is C part of question number 2. Now let's start D part. D part is 8523 divided by 18. Our dividend is 8523 and divisor is 18. See, we cannot divide 8 by 18, so put 0 at the quotient, and now we will combine 8000s and 500s. Okay, so we will divide 85 by 18. Is 85 comes at the table of 18? No, 85 doesn't come at the table of 18, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 85 and comes at the table of 18, and that is 18 fours are 72. Now subtract it. 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 7 is 1, and bring this 2 down. Is 132 comes at the table of 18? No, 132 doesn't come at the table of 18, so we will take a number that is just smaller than 132 and comes at the table of 18, and that is 126. 18 sevens are 126. Okay, now subtract it. 12 minus 6 is 6, and bring this 3 down. This will be 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 18 threes are 54. Okay, because 18 fours are 72 will be greater than 63, so we will take 18 threes are 54. Now subtract it. 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So our quotient is 473 and remainder is 9. Now we have to verify also. In verification, what we do, we multiply the divisor by the quotient and add the remainder to it. ओके हम डिवाइज़र को क्वोशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उसमें रिमाइंडर को ऐड करते हैं. व्हाट इज़ आर डिवाइज़र? आर डिवाइज़र इज़ 18, आर क्वोशिएंट इज़ 473 and remainder is 9. Now multiply 473 by 18. After multiplying, what we will get? 8 3s are 24, 4 will come here, 2 will be carry, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 2 is 58, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 5 is 37. Okay, now 1 3s are 3, 1 7s are 7, 1 4s are 4, so this will be 4, 8 plus 3 is 11, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 15, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So this will be 8514. Now add it. This will be after adding 9 to 8514, we will get 8523, which is equal to our dividend. Okay, so this way we verify the division. Fine. So this is question number 2 of exercise 5.4.